You'll be hard pressed to find a farmer in the UK that doesn't recognise the name Claas. We're here today at their HQ in Suffolk to take a look at some of their toys around their tractor proving ground. So now we're inside Claas's HQ at Saxham. The building is really impressive. It's been built in 3 sections over a period of years, with the last bit only being finished in the last 6 years or so. Interestingly enough, the Manns family who started the original dealership in the 50s still farm out the back. Later on, we're going to get to head over to the experience centre where we're actually going to get to have a go in some of these toys. So, as part of the whole experience centre that they have here, we've got the digital experience centre, where we've got a full tractor sim, where we've got our CBIS screen, our CMIS screen, and we're able to have a play around and see what it's like to drive one of the tractors out in the field, right here in the reception. Here we've got the Scorpion 1033. Let's take a look at what's under the bonnet. And look at that, 3.6 litre Liebherr engine, making about 140 horsepower. So not only do you have the chance to look at brand new Claas machinery, but they have this amazing warehouse filled with machinery ranging from £20,000 all the way up to £250,000, all stored under cover in this echoey warehouse. We're now in the little mini museum section that Claas have here at their Saxham HQ. And first of all, you get treated to this 1950s beautifully restored combine. And while it might look quite different to combines of today, the fundamentals are actually fairly similar. You've still got your thresher, crop comes in, goes right through. At the end of the day, it's doing the same job. We just do it a bit quicker these days. From the old, we come to the new. Here we've got the current cab from the Lexington series of combine harvesters. Claas have this here to give customers a chance to sit inside and see how it works. Moving on, we're taking another step back in time again to the Fordson van. Now this is a beautiful machine that again has been lovingly restored. Got beautiful decals on the side, lovely painting, and in the back we have a toolbox that's been donated by the Mann family, and it's Bill Mann's original wooden toolbox that he used to take to keep people's kit running. If we keep going round, we get treated to the inside of a Lexion combine. This gives a great view of how things work. You get to see the full internals, and it really helps you picture the journey of the crop as it comes in, goes through the rollers, straight through the drums, and then we have the chaff out the back. It's great to see what comes out of one of these. So we've had a bit of a journey in time from one of the earliest combines there is to some of the biggest and most expensive combines you can buy today. Now isn't that a machine? So, we're at the Claas Customer Experience Centre, where we've got an amazing setup around us. Around the outside, we've got a concrete and dirt track which simulates transport with a bridge built into it. Here we have the sand, where you can test out GPS tracking and run the tractors along lines. Over this way, we've got 3 clamps with simulation grain, which is like lots of little bits of rubber, and over the other side, there's rubble that you can practice using your telehandler or loader on. Uniquely for a manufacturer headquarters, they're actually tied to a dealership. In this case, it's Mans of Saxham. What that means is right next to the manufacturer's HQ, you've got a parts shop. Anything from fuel filters, all the way over to hard wearing parts. Got some tungsten covered stuff here. You can even get clothing and tools, anything that you might need, it's here. Thank you so much for watching today. We've had a fantastic time here at Claas, and I have to say, I don't think there's many places where you get to see new tractors, used tractors, a museum, all the tech, and you actually have a place where you get to test it all out. Anyway, I hope you had a great time watching the video, and make sure you tune in for the next one. See you soon.